If you've ever previously opened Photoshop, you probably know about selections. They allow us to select a specific part of a photo and work only on our selected area, without the changes made having an effect on the rest of the image. Let's take a look at what we're talking about and how we can use selections to achieve our goals. Choose this tool, the Marquee tool. It allows us to make square and rectangular shapes with straight lines for easier selection of simple shapes. When you make a selection, the first thing you'll notice is this line on the side that looks like walking ants. This animated line represents the border of the selection you have made, i.e., everything inside these lines will be selected and everything outside them won't be. Therefore, whatever effect or change we make will only be applied inside the walking ants. For example, let's make a selection of the sign in this image. The options of this tool and other selection tools help us to add or remove parts of a selection to include or exclude pieces of the image to the effect we want to produce. For example, let's just say we didn't make a good enough selection. We can adjust it by using the plus or minus options in the Selector tool menu. As we said, the effect will only work on the part we choose in the image. Let's say we want to make changes to the rest of the photo that has so far not been selected. That way, we won't have to make our selections again. A much easier option is to reverse the selection and make changes to the inverse of the current selection. Such selections are called inverted selections. For this to happen, we need to go to the Select menu and select Inverse. This will reverse our selection. When we have completed all our work in the selected area, we need to remove the selection to continue working on the rest of the image without limitation. To do this, we go to the Select menu and click on Deselect, or use the shortcut Ctrl and D to remove all selections.